Hi guys, Paul.
Hey Ryan.
Here we are, PA Outdoors couple, and actually we're in Woodward, Pennsylvania. We're going to go to the Woodward Cave. I don't know how much we're going to be filming in there, but we're definitely going to take some pictures. We're out and about today. This is the 4th of July weekend. Ooh, cool. We're out in the woods here in western central Pennsylvania. Just left. We were just over at the Sealands Grove Brewing Company. We're here at Woodward now. We just drove through Bald Eagle State Park, having a great day so far. I'm gonna go over this little bridge here. There we go. Well, I used to be able to switch my phone around, so I'll have to do this. Go over the old little bridge here, over into Woodward Cave. And now there's parking areas. There's a campground here, so there's gonna be people. You know, I love people, but I've been going here since I was a little kid, and let's keep that legacy going. I did it with my kids, so let's do it here. And hopefully you guys think about maybe showing up here too. We'll take some pictures in the cave while we're here. We'll make a nice collage. That's the mouth of the cave over there, if you can start seeing it right there. And we will be back later. Cheers. Here we are. Just like this place. Just really like this place. It gives me like this awesome, still gives me this awesome like 80s horror movie campground vibe. I really dig it. And I'm not meaning that in a bad way. I mean it in a really cool way. I just like this place. I've always came here ever since I was a little tiny kid, and it really just does give me cool vibes here. It's a nice place, and I really do appreciate it because I don't like change. I'm one of those guys, so I like the fact that a lot of it hasn't changed in years. So all right, till then, cheers.